In the last module, we have configured our API endpoints in the Postman. And now we're going to start working with these endpoints. First, we will start with this account section. So if we expand this account section, then here we have these two endpoints like register and login. I'm going to open this register endpoint. So if we click this link, then it will be opened inside the Postman. Now first, we need to add our web app URL here. So you need to copy your personal Azure web app URL and paste it here along with this register endpoint. Now this is a post request. So if we go to the body of this request, then by default a sample JSON data is already present here. All we need to do is just add the values to this JSON, or we can use the same values. Let's use some other name, email and password here. Now if we send the request, then soon we will get the status code 201 created. It means our record has been created. Now let's go to this login endpoint. First, we need to add our web app URL here. Then let's go to the body of this request. Here we need to add the user email and password that we have used earlier in the register endpoint. Let's copy the user email and password and paste it here. Now if we send the request, then we will get the following JSON in the response body, like access token, expiration time, user ID, etc. Now with this access token, we'll further call other API endpoints because the rest of the API endpoints are secure, and without the access token, we cannot access the other endpoints. Alright, so far we have got an access token and we are ready to consume the other API endpoints with the help of this access token. So I will see you in the next lesson.